Hello guys, today we are going to learn the question number 5 of problem set number 3. So the question is two arithmetic progressions are given. So the first arithmetic progression is 9, 7, 5 and so on, and the second arithmetic progression is 24, 21, 18 and so on. Okay, if nth term of the both arithmetic progressions are equal, nth term are equal, okay, then find the value of n and nth term. So we have to find the value of n as well as nth term of this arithmetic progression and this arithmetic progression. Okay, so the first arithmetic progression is, okay, so the first arithmetic progression is, what are the terms? 9, 7, 5 and so on is the arithmetic progression. Here a is equal to, a means first term, a or t1 both are equal, that is equal to 9. Then d means t2 minus t1. So okay, a is equal to 9, then t2 second term is equal to 7, t3 is equal to 5, okay, and d is equal to t2 minus t1. So the value of t2 is equal to 7 and t1 is equal to 9. So 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2. Therefore d is equal to minus 2. In this arithmetic progression, first term is equal to 9 and common difference d is equal to minus 2. Okay, now we know the formula for Tn. How to find the value of Tn? So Tn is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find the value of Tn. But actually Tn is equal to, what is the value of a? So a is nothing but 9. 9 plus, we don't know the value of n, so write down n minus 1 as it is, into d. Into d means minus 2 into minus 2. So which is equal to 9 plus minus 2 into 9, that is minus 2, minus 2n, minus plus 2. Therefore Tn is equal to 9 plus 2 means 11 minus 2n. Say this equation number 1, 11 minus 2n. Okay, this is for arithmetic progression, first arithmetic progression. Also the second arithmetic progression, is, so second arithmetic progression is 24, 21, 18 and so on. Here a is equal to, a means the first term, that is denoted by t1. t1 is equal to 24, t2 is equal to 21, t3 is equal to 18 and d is equal to t2 minus t1. So the value of t2 is nothing but 21 minus t1. t1 is 24. So 21 minus 24 is equal to minus 3. So the value of common difference t is equal to minus 3. Here first term is equal to 24 and common difference is equal to minus 3. Now Tn is equal to, now the formula, Tn is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. According to this formula we have to find the value of Tn here. Okay, so हमें find क्या करना है, the value of n as well as nth term, n and nth term. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे मैं कर लेता हूँ next one. Tn is equal to, therefore Tn is equal to a plus, a means first term is equal to 24 plus, we don't know the value of n, so n minus 1 as it is, into d means minus 3, so multiplied by minus 3. Therefore Tn is equal to 24 minus 3 into n, minus 3n minus plus 3, 24 plus 3, that is 27 minus 3n, that is Tn. Okay, so the value of Tn is equal to 27 minus 3n. This is second equation. Okay, according to the condition, nth term of both the arithmetic progression are equal. Okay, so write down here, according to the condition to the condition. What is the condition? The nth term of both the arithmetic progression, nth term of both the arithmetic progression is equal. Both the arithmetic progression is equal. So the first arithmetic progression, I can write it 5, 7, 9 and so on. Second arithmetic progression is 24, 21, 18 and so on. Okay. Now ये वाला रफ कर लेता मैं. So दोनों का nth term इक्वल है. Therefore from 1 and 2, nth term इक्वल है. 1 का nth term कौन सा है? 11 minus 12 है. Therefore from 1 and 2, 11 minus 2n is equal to 11 minus 2n is equal to 27 minus 3n. 27 minus 3n. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? Therefore 11 minus 27 is equal to minus 3n. This is minus 3n and plus 2n. ठीक. So 11 minus 27 means what? 11 minus 27 means 16. That is 16. But minus 16 is equal to minus n. So n is equal to what? N is equal to 16. So the value of n is equal to 16. But we have to find the nth term. Okay. But we have to find the nth term. Now nth term of first arithmetic progression is this. Tn is equal to 11 minus 2n. Tn is equal to 11 minus 2n. Okay, so 11 minus 2n means what? So the calculation is, यहाँ पे value put करना है only. Therefore t, what is the value of n? That is t16. Therefore t16 is equal to, so there are 16 terms in each arithmetic progression. So the 16th term of first arithmetic progression is t16 is equal to 11 minus 2 into n. N means 16. So 2 into 16. Therefore t16 is equal to 11 minus 32. 11 minus 32 means what? That is t16 is equal to 21. Right? 21 minus 21. This is the t16 term of first arithmetic progression. And nth term of second arithmetic progression is, second arithmetic progression की nth term कौन सी? Tn. So Tn is equal to 27 minus 3n. Therefore t16 is equal to 27 minus 3 into n means what? The value of n is 16. So write down here 16. That is t16 is equal to 27 minus 48. 27 minus 48. So this is also, therefore t16 is equal to minus 21. Minus of 21. So कैसे भी करोगे आप तो लास्ट टर्म का वैल्यू पे कितना आएगा? t16, that is minus 21. Therefore nth term of both the arithmetic progression is minus 21. Minus of 21 is the nth term of both the arithmetic progression. This is our final answer. Okay, so got it? Okay, so next second question is there. Next question, that is question number 6. If sum of third and eighth term. Next question number 6. If sum of third and eighth term of an arithmetic progression is 7 and of an arithmetic progression is the sum of third and eighth term of an arithmetic progression is 7, and sum of 7th and 14th, sum of 7th and 14th term of an arithmetic progression is minus 3, then find the 10th term, so आपको 10th term find करना है. Okay, so given question is that if sum of third and eighth term दोनों का sum is 7 and sum of 7th term and 14th term of an arithmetic progression is minus 3. So there are two conditions. First one is T3 plus T8 is equal to 7 and T7 plus T14 is equal to minus 3. Okay, so write down here, according to the first condition, so what is the condition number first? So the condition number first is T3 plus T8 is equal to 7. Okay, say this equation number 1. Now T3 is equal to, now the value of T3 is equal to, first of all, the formula of Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to calculate the value of Tn. Now put n is equal to 3 here, so T3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Okay, therefore T3 is equal to a plus 2d. Say this equation number second. Also we have to calculate the value of T8. Now the value of T8 is, now T8 also we have to calculate T8. Now T8 is equal to a plus 8 minus 1 into d. T8 is equal to a plus 8 minus 1 into d. That is T8 is equal to a plus 7d. This is equation number third. This is equation number 3. Put the values of equation 2 and 3 in equation number 1. Okay, put values of equation number 2 and 3 in equation 1. We get तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? That is, so the equation number 3 is T3 plus T8 is equal to 7, but actually the value of T3 is a plus 2d. So write down instead of T3 write down a plus 2d plus instead of T8 write down a plus 7d is equal to 7. So how many are there? 2a plus 2d plus 7d, that is 9d is equal to 7. This is equation number 4. Okay, so this is equation number 4. Now according to the second condition, so the second condition is what? We know that second condition is sum of 7th term and 14th term, that is T7 plus T14 is equal to sum of 7th term and 14th term of an arithmetic progression is minus 3, is equal to minus 3. Now here we have to calculate, say this equation number 5. Here we have to calculate the value of T7 as well as T14. Now T7 is equal to, directly you can write here, T7 is equal to a plus 7 minus 1 into d. Okay, no need to write the formula. So a plus 6d. Therefore T7 is equal to a plus 6d. Say this equation number 6. Here we have to find the 10th term. Okay. So the next one is, also we have to calculate the T14. Also T14 is equal to a plus 14 minus 1 into d, that is t14 is equal to a plus 13d. a plus 13d. Say this equation number 7. Put the values of 6 and 7 in equation number 5. Put values of 6 and 7 in 5. We get, so आपको क्या मिलेगा, that is which is equal to, so the equation number 5 is t7 plus t14 is equal to minus 3. t7 plus t14 is equal to minus 3. Okay, therefore instead of t7 write down only a plus 6d. a plus 6d. Instead of t14 write down only a plus 13d, and which is equal to minus of 3, is equal to minus of 3. How many a are there? 2a plus 6d plus 13d means 19d is equal to minus of 3. Say this equation number 8. Say this equation number 8. Now look at equation number 4 and the equation number 8. Okay, we have to solve these two equations. We have to solve this two equations. These are the two equations, linear equation in two variables. Okay, these two are the linear equation in two variables, and we know that how to solve the linear equation in two variables. There are various methods: elimination method, determinant method, okay, reduction method. So according to the elimination method, subtract equation 8 or subtract equation 4 from equation number 8. So write down here, subtract equation 4 from equation 8. Okay, so the equation number 8 is, write down first equation number 8. So the equation 8 is 2a plus 19d is equal to minus 3d. 2a plus 19d is equal to minus 3, and the equation number 4 is 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. So 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. We have to subtract the equation, right? So subtract, therefore the sign becomes changed. Plus becomes minus, plus become minus, and plus become minus. Okay, so here plus 2a and minus 2a get cancelled to each other. 19d minus 9d means 10d, and is equal to minus 7 minus 3, that is minus 10, and therefore d is equal to minus 10 by 10, therefore d is equal to minus 1. So the value of d, common difference, is equal to minus 1. Put this value in any equation number 4, equation number 8. Okay, so put d is equal to minus 1 in equation number 4. Okay, put d is equal to minus 1 in equation number 4. We get, so the equation number 4 is, what is the equation? 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. Therefore write down 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. Put d is equal to minus 1 here. Therefore 2a plus 9 into minus 1 is equal to 7, and we get 2a minus 9 is equal to 7. That is 2a is equal to 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. That is 2a is equal to 16, and therefore a is equal to, so the value of a is 16 by 2. 16 by 2 means a is equal to 8. So the first term is 8 and common difference is 1. We have to find the 10th term. In given question, we have to find the 10th term, but we have to find 10th term of an arithmetic progression. 10th term of an arithmetic progression. Therefore t, according to the formula of tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, using this formula we have to find the value of t 10. Now n is equal to 10. N is equal to what? 10. Okay, so t10 is equal to, therefore t10 is equal to first term is 8 plus n means 10 minus 1 into d means minus 1, which is equal to 8 plus 9 into minus 1. 9 into minus 1 is minus 8 minus 9, and 8 minus 9 means minus 1, that is t10 is equal to minus 1. So the 10th term of an arithmetic progression is minus 1. So write down here, therefore 10th term of an arithmetic progression is minus 1. Arithmetic progression is minus 1. इस टाइप आपको क्वेश्चन करना था, बहुत इजी था. I hope you understand and you got this video very well. Okay, so best of luck friends. Thank you.